ang talento ng ating huling talented kid. At dahil practice ng practice, abayu, bumalik ng gusto. Kilalanin po natin siya.
Gabe started playing the violin when he was in preschool. Actually, it is a form of extracurricular activity. Then, after that, when he graduated from preschool, he just continued it. Gabe is actually very active. He plays basketball in school. Aside from that, he is also a member of the dance club. And also, he is also a member of a choir sa church.
My dream is to be a performer violinist. I also want to be a basketball player.
Here to play a classical piece to show his mastery of the violin, please welcome Gabriel Dumagas or simply Gabe. Gabriel on the violin. Sarap talaga sa tenga ng tunog ng violin. Masarap din kaya para kay Gabe ang comment sa mga scouts. Alamin natin sa pagbabalik ng Talentadong Pinoy Kids.